Affected by the northeastern monsoon, air and sea traffic ground to a halt to Green Island. Let's take a look.
Early in the morning, crowds jammed the Taidong airport, waiting for flights to go back to work and classes. However, airlines announced that the early flight couldn't take off due to the strong wind. For teachers who had been waiting for 2 days at the airport, they felt helpless.
它是突然说停止要进去绿岛的嘛，就是停飞停船的，所以就是大家也是第一时间就来这边等这样子。
For the 2 days, the strengthening northeastern monsoon led to strong wind and pouring rain in Green Island. Ferries to the island were suspended and anchored at Fugang fishing port. Many teachers from junior high and elementary schools couldn't make it to the island. Therefore, Lüdao Junior High School was forced to suspend classes for 2 days, with classes rescheduled on the weekend. 2 elementary schools combined the 2 classes in response.
绿岛国中是因为他们礼拜六、礼拜天，有绝大多数的老师呢都来台东市，来办理相关的活动。那变成说，学校里面呢现在的人力是非常不足的。
Besides schools, the post office was affected by the weather. The manager of the post office couldn't make it to the office, which hinders some of the normal operation.
我不回去的话，什么都不能动了。民众要去办事，造成都不方便。提款机也没有钱怎么办？
As long as the wind force of the northeastern monsoon exceeds 10 knots in winter, the air and sea traffic are usually ground to a halt in Orchid Island and Green Island, which are offshore Taidong. The residents on the outlying islands hope to have a means of transport to overcome the rigorous weather, helping them resolve the long-term perplexing problem of winter traffic.